We've been celebrating this guy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Yeah, thank you. I mean,
how has your day been so far?
Very good. Celebrating with a lot of people I love and people who love moods, and we have had an amazing lunch, a body meeting, and yeah. Whatever can I wish on this?
What more can you wish for?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. What more can I wish?
Well, I can't wish for more because I have the best dad in the world.
Oh, thank you, Kristian.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
See you at home. So, home turned into another cross-country training. Chica is impatient, but I'm out here trying out this Oakley Router Pace, which has built-in earplugs, so I'm really excited to see how this thing works. And now this one is barking, so we have to just continue. I'm sorry, but I'll see you later. Been out for almost 1 hour now with this new Oakley Router Pace. So what's really cool is that you can just hit this pad to stop the song. You can hit it twice to change song, and you can just swipe here to adjust the volume, which is really handy when you're out training. And it also works with gloves on, and that's a good thing when it's really cold.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning.
After a long drive, I'm finally in Hamar. And why am I here? I'm not skating the Norwegian Cup this weekend. I'm here to move out of this place because I'm moving back home. And I'm also using this opportunity to meet my friends, have dinner with them tonight, trying the ice here, and also making some great shots, hopefully making some great shots from the races tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to a great weekend in Hamar. See you later. Ciao.
Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so.
How was your race?
It was okay. I just skated and I felt in the turn it was like I just stepped like this, really close into the balls, and finished the race. It was good.
It was good.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm happy.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded.
How was your race today, Maria?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. You had a good feeling? Improving.
Yeah, it's better than it's been previously this season, so.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end.
Ole Björnsmones, how are you, man?
I'm fine, but my English is not so good.
Yeah, you're great with English. It's okay. You're racing today?
Yes, today is 500 and 3K.
Nice. Good luck.
Thank you.
For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life.
After a great day here in Hamar, I am on my way back home to Trondheim. I have a 5-hour drive ahead of me, so I just need to get started because I want to reach the final of Idol, which is tonight at 8 o'clock, I think. And yeah, it's been great to be here in Hamar with my friends, with a lot of good skaters, and hopefully I got some good shots too. So I hope it will be a great vlog with a lot of action photos from the skating races. See you in Trondheim. Good evening. I'm back from Hamar and finally with my friend again. Since it's the end of the week, I think it's time to announce what the giveaway will be. And the giveaway will be a pair of Oakleys. You can see the model in the thumbnail on this vlog. So all you have to do to win this pair of Oakleys is to comment below. Comment whatever you want. If it's something good, if it's your name, I don't care. Just make a comment and I will choose one of the comments or one of the persons to have a pair of Oakleys after Christmas. The winner will be announced in the next vlog, I think. So around 25th of December, if I'm right. Yeah, I hope as many as possible will participate. And please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and maybe also share it with your friends. That would be amazing. Thank you for a great week. Enjoy your Christmas, and I'll see you again next week. Bye, ciao, au revoir.